So, hi students, today's our topic is genetic code. Genetic code. Before going to the genetic code, just we can recall the central dogma of molecular biology. Central dogma of molecular biology. The central dogma of molecular biology says that the genetic message present in the DNA can pass to the mRNA by the transcription and then the nitrogen base sequence of the mRNA can translate a polypeptide amino acid chain, that is a protein, by the translation mechanism. Finally, protein is synthesized. That protein is a character of the organism. It is a character of an organism. So ultimately, the DNA information, the information present in the DNA can transfer to the mRNA. The mRNA codon can translate and form the polypeptide amino acid chain, is called as a protein. Already we discussed about the transcription, how the DNA information is passed to the mRNA. So we studied about the transcription in the prokaryotic organism and transcription in the eukaryotic organism. So let us see how the DNA pass the genetic information to the mRNA, then what is a genetic codon. Here, this is a DNA template strand. To the template strand, already we know that mRNA is synthesized. So it is a 5' to 3' end of the DNA, which has a nitrogen base sequence. Suppose it is like this: TAC, AAA, CAA, GGG. From this, a mRNA is synthesized by the transcription. The mRNA is like this. AUG, the nitrogen base sequence of the mRNA strand, is like this. AUG. How it is formed? How AUG is formed on mRNA? So this A is opposite to the T. So opposite to the T, A will be there. Opposite to the A, U is there. Actually in DNA, T will be there. But in this is a mRNA. In mRNA or RNA has a uracil. There is no thymine. So that opposite to the U is present here. From opposite to the C, G, and opposite to the A, U. Already we know that no thymine in the RNA, so that U is present. A, U. So same like this here also. C, opposite to the C, cytosine, guanine. Opposite to the adenine, uracil. Opposite to the adenine, uracil. Opposite to the G, cytosine. Opposite to the G, cytosine. Opposite to the G, cytosine, like that. The codon is present. This is called as a genetic code. Three nitrogen bases of the mRNA form one codon. So this these codons on translation, they decode amino acid. This codon can code methionine. Then this codon code phenylalanine. This codon will code valine. This codon will code proline. So like that, many amino acids are translated by this codon in mRNA. After the mRNA, what happened? Translation is taken place. The codons present on the 3 nitrogen base sequences of the 3 nucleotide sequence of the mRNA considered as a one codon. This one codon can translated and it synthesizes one amino acid. So AUG codon always code methionine. UU codon can code phenylalanine. GUU codon can code valine. CCC codon can code proline. So like that, many amino acids are translated and finally a polypeptide amino acid chain is formed. Then it is a one protein. Such a way, the proteins are synthesized in the body with the help of this DNA and mRNA. This is the central dogma of molecular biology proposed by Crick. So, coming to this genetic code here, the genetic code is made up of with 3 nucleotide sequence of the mRNA. How many nitrogen bases are present in the RNA? Adenine will be there. Adenine, guanine, cytosine, thymine. So 4 nitrogen base sequences are present here. With this 4 nitrogen base sequences, 64 codons are formed. The idea of this 64 codons was given by a scientist, George Gamow. George Gamow. George Gamow argued that with this 4 nitrogen base sequences of the mRNA can code 64 codon. These 64 codon, first idea, 64 codons are formed. So these 64 codons can code 20 amino acids in the translation mechanism. And how these 64 codons are formed? With the 4 nitrogen bases. How many nitrogen bases are there? 4 nitrogen bases are there. With these 4 nitrogen bases, each codon has 3 nitrogen bases. 3 nitrogen bases are there. In codon, 3 nitrogen bases are there. With this 4 into 4 into 4, 64 codons are formed. This is the idea of George Gamow. But this experimentally proved by by 3 scientists. Haragovind Khorana, H.G. Khorana, he is an Indian scientist. Haragovind Khorana, he is an Indian scientist. Haragovind Khorana is an Indian scientist. So Indian born American scientist. Indian born American scientist. Indian born American scientist. And Marshall Nirenberg. Marshall Nirenberg. And Okoya. These three scientists are practically proved and finally studied the genetic code. And given the genetic code. So genetic code, what is the definition for the genetic code? A definite sequence of bases transferred from DNA to mRNA, and from mRNA to the definite sequence of amino acids in a polypeptide is called it as a genetic code. A definite sequence of the bases transferred from the DNA to mRNA in the transcription. DNA to mRNA, this definite sequence of the nitrogen bases is transferred to the DNA to mRNA, and from the mRNA to definite sequence of the amino acids are formed. That is called it as a because of that amino acid, a polypeptide amino acid chain is formed. That is called it as a protein. So this is the term. This is the definition for the genetic code. So these three scientists experimentally proved what are genetic code, how the mRNA, and they explained. So first this H.G. Khorana explained the artificial mRNA molecule with the different combination of the nitrogen bases. Different combinations of the bases, and finally he identified the nitrogen bases which help to the formation of the genetic code. That is the scientist given by the genetic code given by the H.G. Khorana. So Marshall Nirenberg cell-free system for the protein synthesis finally helped the code to decipher the protein. So he explained how the protein synthesis is taken place with the help of genetic code. So that is the Marshall Nirenberg. So this Okoya, he discovered the enzyme polynucleotide phosphorylase discovered by this Okoya, and which helps in the formation of RNA polymerization with defined sequence in a template. Polynucleotide phosphorylase enzyme is discovered by this scientist, and it helps to formation of the polymerization of the mRNA, which helps in the which helps in the translation process later. So like this three scientists experimentally proved this idea of 64 codon and 20 amino acid, how they formed by the George Gamow. So let us see how the genetic code is formed. So for that we need to prepare one table. According to the table we come to know how many nitrogen base sequence are involved, how many genetic codons are formed, then which codon deciphered the particular amino acid. So let us see that. This is the table. Let us make a table with the 4 nitrogen bases. Already we know that 3 nitrogen bases form one codon. 3 nitrogen bases form one codon. With these 3 nitrogen bases of the RNA, how the codons are formed, we see here. So first of all we can make 3 columns, like 1, 2, 3, 4 columns here. So here 4 columns. In this 4 column we can put uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine, uracil, cytosine, adenine, guanine. Like that, with these 2 nitrogen bases, one more nitrogen bases we added here, because 3 nitrogen bases form one codon. 3 nitrogen bases form one codon. Like this, UCAG we can make here. So when we add this uracil, this we get UUU, then UUC, UUA, UUG, leucine. So this UUU code one amino acid, that is a phenylalanine, PHEN, phenylalanine. UUC, phenylalanine. UUA, leucine. UUG, leucine. Like that, here UCU, UCA, UCC, UCG, like this. UCU serine, UCA serine, UCG serine. This is the amino acid coded by this codon. The same thing, UAU, UAC, UAA, UAG, like this. UAA tyrosine, UAC tyrosine, UAA ochre, UAG amber. So like that. So here in this case, these 2 code tyrosine, this UAA, UAG code, they cannot code anything. They cannot code any amino acid, so that these 3 codons are called 2 codons called nonsense codon or stop codon. Nonsense codon or stop codon. They cannot code any amino acid, so that these are called as a nonsense codon or stop codon. These 2. Along with this, one more is there. That is a stop codon, UGA, UAA, UAZ. These cannot code any amino acid, so that they are called as a nonsense codon, stop codon. So technically they are call it as UAA, call it as ochre, UAG call it as amber, UGA call it as opal. These are call it as a stop codon. UAA technically call it as ochre, UAG call it as amber, UGA call it as opal. So like this, CUU, CUC, CUA, CUG. So like that, CUG. It code CU code leucine. In the same thing, CCU, CCC, CCA, CCG, proline. And next CAU, CAC, CAA, CAG. CAU code, CAU, CAC code histidine. CAA, CAG code glutamine, GLN, glutamine, shortcut. And the same CGU, CGC, CGA, CGG, like that. So CGU, CGA, CGC, CGG, RG9. So like that here, AUU, AUC, AUA, AUG, ACU, ACC, ACA, ACG, like that. So these three codons in this set isoleucine. And AUG code methionine. AUG code methionine. It is amino acid. So AUG has a dual role. Because AUG has a dual role. It code the methionine and it is also called it as initiator codon. Let us see that in coming concept. So ACU, like that, ACU 309, ACC 309, ACA 309, ACG 309. So like that, 309 amino acid is coded here. AAU, AAC, code arsine, AAA lysine, AAG lysine. So like that. AGU serine, AGC serine, AGA arginine, AGG arginine. So like that. GUU valine, GUC valine, GUA valine, GUG valine. GCU alanine, GCC alanine, GCA alanine, GCG alanine. GAU aspartic acid, GAC aspartic acid, GAA glutamic acid. This is a glutamine, this is a glutamic acid. GAG glutamic acid. GGU glycine, GGC glycine, GGA glycine, GGG glycine. So like that, 64 codons code 20 amino acids. 20 amino acid. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. Already serine is there. So arginine is also there. So 15, 16, 17, 18, 19. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 20 amino acids will be coded. Once again we see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16. 16 already serine arginine already counted. 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 20 amino acids can be coded. 20 amino acids can be coded by 61 codon. Why 61 codon? 3 codons are the nonsense codons. These are the nonsense codon or stop codon. Remaining 61 can code 20 types of amino. Means more than one codon can code one type of amino acid. For example, these four codon can code arginine. These 2 can code serine. This 4 can code glycine. Like that, more than one codon can code one amino acid. Because of that, 61 codon can code 20 amino acids. Here, remembering all these codon is not a very easy task, so that we can easily remember by making some trick. Then it is useful for identifying the amino acid at the time of objectives. So let us see those. What are? Here UU, A, UUG. First of all, we consider first two letters. Then this first two letters, if they crossed with this, when they join with this, then we can get the code. So UUC, we can call it as a phenylalanine. UUA, UUG, call it as a leucine. Phenylalanine, leucine. To remember this one, we can easily make one code, that is a FeLU. UU. This PHE phenylalanine with 2 letters, with these 2 nitrogen base sequences. UUA, UUG, leucine. FeLU, UU. Easily we can remember. If UUC is called as a phenylalanine, UUA, UUG called it as a leucine, like that. FeLU. UC, serine, like that. If the codon start with any UC, then it code serine. Understood? So next, UA, UAC, UAU, UAC, UAA, UAG. So then we can say UA company tires stopped. If the codon start with the UA, first 2 letters UAU, UAC, first 2 nitrogen bases, UC, no. So UAU, UAC, tyrosine. It is a tyrosine. UAA, UAG, already we discussed about, these are the stop codon or nonsense codon. So that trick used to identify that UA company tire stopped. Tire means tyrosine. Stopped means these 2. So first 2 nitrogen bases, UA combined with the UC, that is a tyrosine. UA combined with the next 2 nitrogen bases, AG, that is a stop codon. Simply we can remember UA company tire stopped. So if codon comes with the UA, start with the UA, tires stopped, if you remember, we can easily identify the amino acids. So next codon is UZ. So UG means undergraduate. UG course means undergraduate. Undergraduate sister you have. So undergraduate sister. Sister means cystine. Undergraduate sister. Cystine. So first two nitrogen bases which is started with the UG, it is a cystine. So already we know that UGA is a stop codon. UGG, tryptophan. We have to remember tryptophan. UGG, tryptophan. This we have to by heart it. UGG is a tryptophan. UGA is a stop codon. These three codons also we have to remember, and we have to stop codons also we have to by heart that. What are those? UAA, UAG, UGA. UAA, UAG, UGA. Opal, amber, ochre. These are stop codon. These three codons are stop codons. Which cannot code any amino acid in the translation mechanism, which initiate the process of which terminate the process of translation. That is the function of this stop codon. So let us see remaining codons. So next codon is CU. What is the code for this? CU Lucy. If the codon start with the CU Lucy, leucine. The Lucy means leucine here. Leucine. It is an amino acid. CU Lucy. Next codon is CC cameras. So CC Pro. So proline. So next we have to by heart it CA U histidine, CAC histidine. If the codon start with the start with the CA, so first two letters if they added to the CA, first nitrogen base is added to the CA, then it is a histidine. This also we have to by heart. Histidine. So CAA, CAG, glutamine. We have to by heart. Glutamine. CAU, CAC, call it CAU, CAC, histidine. This we have to by heart. There is no tick for this. Glutamine. So next CG, kagas. Kagas means paper. In Hindi kagas means CG, kagas. Kagas per arji. Arji means we write give some arji to the people, government people. If you want any work, we'll put some information on the paper. That is called as arji. So kagas per arji. Simply we can remember kagas per arji. Kag, CG, kag. For arji. Arji means RG9. It is an amino acid, RG9. Kagas per arji, RG9. So this is one trick for this. So next amino acid AU, AUC, AUA. With these three we can call it as a isoleucine. So AUZ, we know that it is a methionine. It is a start codon. This is also called it as an initiator codon, which initiate the process of translation. So that it is called as an initiator codon, start codon. It also code one amino acid, methionine, so that it has a two functions. AUZ has a two function, dual functions. AUG has dual function. So which code one amino acid and it is an initiator codon. This we have to by heart. This we have to by heart. So coming to the next, ACU, ACC, ACA, ACG. We can easily remember with this AC three-tier compartment. You know that in train there is a two-tier compartment, three-tier compartments. AC two-tier compartment, three-tier compartment. Based on that, I'll make one code. What easy trick? AC three-tier compartment. Three-tier compartment. AC means the code start with the first two letters. 309. AC 309. So if codon start with the AC 309, 309, 309, easily we can remember. And next AA arsine, AAU arsine, AAC arsine, AAA lysine, AAG lysine. How we remember this one? You know that according to the Mendel, AA means it is a pure, TT pure, homozygous, pure means in Hindi asli, AA asli, simply we can remember, AA asli. First two letters, first two nitrogen bases are seen, so that AAU, AAC arsine, AAA, AAG lysine, so that lysine, L by lysine, AS arsine, so like asli. So this is one of the trick. AA asli. If the AA start with codon, first two letters RC9, next two letters AAG lysine, like this, arsine. So next here AGU serine, AGC serine, AGU serine, AGC serine. Already serine is there, one more is there, so that we have to by heart it. AGU, AGC serine, AGU, AGC serine, AGA, AGG, RG9. Already we had this. So we have to by heart this too. AGU, AGC serine, AGA, AGG, RG9. Next GU. If the codon start with the GU, Ju means valley. Also we can call it as a valley. Ju means valley. So simply valine. So valley means valine. GU valine. Easily we can remember. Ju valley. So valine. If the codon start with the GU valine, we can easily remember. So next GCU, gas. There is a law in biology in some coming topics. Gas law, Allen's law. Gas rule and Allen's rule, both two rules are there. So we have to remember that one. Gas and Allen's. Gas, Allen's. Two rules are present in the topic in organism and population, in coming topic. So here we have to remember these two laws. Gas law, Allen's law, or Allen's rule. Gas, Allen. We have to remember. Allen means alanine. Gas, alanine. GC, alanine. Simply we can remember. So next GAU, GAC, GAA, GAG. So here what? Ga, aspa, gaspa, glue, gaspar glue. Aspartic acid we can consider when GAU, GAC is first two nitrogen bases. GAU, GAC, aspartic acid. GAA, GAG, glutamic acid. Glutamic acid. So Gaspar glue, GA, Gaspar glue, GA, Gaspar glue, like that. So next, GGU, GGC, GGA, GGG. We have to by heart. GG glycine, GG glycine. Also we can write GG glycine. GG glycine. One trick. GG glycine. GG glycine. If the codon start with the GG, that is a glycine. Glycine. So like that, we can easily remember the amino acid sequences by the different codon. This is the trick for identifying the amino acid with the codon. Next, characters of the codon. Characters of genetic code. It is a very, very important concept for the board examination for 5 marks. So first code, triplet nature. It is a triplet code. Means each codon has 3 nitrogen bases. 3 adjacent nitrogen bases, we can call it as codon. Like this. 3 nitrogen bases on the mRNA sequence, call it as a codon. This is called it as a triplet code. This is the first character. Second character, genetic code is universal. Universal means here a genetic code in any organism can code a particular amino acid. It is common for all the organism. For example, AUG code methionine only. CCC proline only. CUU, CUC, whatever it is, leucine. Leucine. So where in any organism the codon can code same amino acid, so that it is called it as a genetic code is universal. Genetic code is degenerate. Genetic code is degenerate. Degenerate means one amino acid can coded by many codons. One amino acid can coded by many codons. For example, CCC, CCA, CCU, CCG. This many codon can code one amino acid. That is a proline. CU, CUA, CUC, CUG. This code leucine, like that. Many codon can code one amino acid. This 4 codon can code one amino acid. This is called degenerate. Genetic code is degenerate. Next, genetic code is sensible and unambiguous. Genetic code is sensible or unambiguous. Means sensible. So it code sensible means one code can code one amino acid, a particular amino acid. It cannot code. For example, AUG is there. AUG can code methionine only. But CCG is there. It is code proline only. But it cannot code any other. Only one amino acid. Only one type of amino acid is coded. So that it is called as a sensible or unambiguous. Sensible or unambiguous. So this is the fourth character. Coming to the fifth character, codons are non-overlapping. Codons are non-overlapping. Non-overlapping. Non-overlapping means suppose it is one mRNA. In this AUG is present. CCG, CGA. Here CCU, for example, CCU, and finally UAG is present. So here first three continuous codon, adjacent codon, nitrogen bases form one codon. This form one codon, this form one codon, this form one codon, this form one codon. But it cannot overlap. The nitrogen base of the one codon cannot overlap with this nitrogen base. It cannot form GCC like this. It cannot form CCC like this. It cannot form GCG like this. So it cannot, one codon cannot overlap with other codon. This is called as a non-overlapping. Non-overlapping. Codons are next character. Codons are commaless. So like this, codons are present. So this is a CC, CCA, CCG, CGA, CGA, GGA, GGU, like that. Finally, UAG. So here there is no gap between the nitrogen base sequence. So these are all continuous. There is no comma in this place. Continuously they can code different types of they can translate different types of amino acid till the terminator codon. So that is called as a codons are commaless. Codons are comma. There is no comma between the one codon to other codon. There is no gap. So it is a continuous till the terminator codon, terminator gene, terminator codon or terminator gene or terminator codon. It continuously decode the amino acid. This is called as a codons are commaless. Next character is, this is the fifth character, the sixth, the seventh character is codons are initiator codon. Always AUG is a initiator codon which initiate the process of translation at the time of translation, which initiate the translation mechanism. So initiator codon. And also it has one more function. AUG code methionine. So means it is a initiator codon and it decode one methionine amino acid. So that AUG has dual function. In examination they'll ask AUG codon has a dual function. Why? So because AUG initiate the process of translation and it decode the methionine amino acid. So that it has a dual function. So AUG is a initiator codon. Next character is a terminator codon. Terminator codon. So already we discussed about some terminator codon or nonsense codons are there. Those are UAA, UAG, UGA, UGA. UAA, UAG, UGA are the stop codon or terminator codon which terminate the translation mechanism. At last mRNA codon is this these three codons only. Any one of the codon will be there at the end of the mRNA. So that is called as a terminator codon. So this terminate the process of translation mechanism which initiate the process of translation AUG. So terminator codon and initiator codons are there which initiate the initiator codon initiate the process of translation. Terminator codon terminate stop the process of translation. So UAA, UAG, UGA. UAA is call it as technical name call it as Ocro and UAG call it as amber. UGA is call it as opal. So this is very important. Ocro, amber, opal. These are the terminator codon. So out of 64 codon, 61 codon can code 20 amino acid. 20 amino acid. Remaining 3 codons are the stop codon or terminator codon. So these are the characters of the genetic code. Genetic code is triplet. Genetic code is universal. Genetic code is degenerate. Genetic code is sensible or unambiguous. Genetic code is non-overlapping. Genetic code is commaless. Genetic code is initiator. Genetic code is terminator. So these are the characters of the genetic code. So this is about today's topic. Thank you.